Have you ever thought about writing an ebook but don't know where to start? Or maybe you have written one but haven't seen the sales you hoped for? Join our exclusive ebook creation training and learn the proven strategies to create, launch, and sell an ebook that generates serious revenue. What will you learn? How to choose the right topic, writing for profit, professional design and formatting, marketing strategies, maximizing profit. Exclusive bonuses, free ebook templates, marketing checklist, live question and answer sessions. We have testimonies of students and mentees that have written their first ebook and also got a sale the same day they released it. And myself, I am an author of over 5 books, and some of them are even best sellers. So we have a track record, and it's proven, it's tested. Are you ready to create an ebook that sells? Secure your spot in our exclusive training now. Where? Online via Zoom. When? 2nd November 2024. Duration 1 day. Intensive program. Sign up now by clicking the link to join the WhatsApp. Spaces are limited. Don't miss out.